Right, so question 4. Rashima had a mixture of iron filings and sand. What could she use to separate the iron filings from the mixture? So the answer is a magnet. Now the reason for that is because iron is magnetic, so it will be attracted to the magnet, whereas the sand will remain behind. So Rashima put 10 cubic centimeters of water and 2 grams of different solids into each of the 4 test tubes. She shook each test tube, and the drawing showed test tubes after 10 minutes. So why can the salt and sugar no longer be seen in test tube A and C? So let's have a look at what's in these test tubes. So we've got salt, we've got sand, we've got sugar, and we've got limestone. So she's put into those 2 grams of solid. Why can the salt and sugar no longer be seen in A and C? Right, so basically you have your 10 cubic centimeters here, and then the salt here has disappeared, and the sugar has disappeared. They're not really disappeared, have they? Like, so where have they gone? So we need to describe the process that's happening to it here, and describe the process that's happening here. So we would say that the salt and the water have dissolved, or the salt and the sugar have dissolved in the water. So Rashima added hydrochloric acid to the same pieces of limestone as shown below. So there's this limestone, there's the hydrochloric acid. What do we observe? So here we're looking at our key reactions. So we need to know 3 key reactions for reactions of acids. So I'm going to write them down. I'm just going to expand the page over here, and we're going to apply the one that's appropriate here. So over here we can say our key reactions are of acids. So which one of these applies now? So we're looking at limestone, which is a metal carbonate, and hydrochloric acid, which is an acid. So we're bubbling the product of this reaction through here. See, bubbles are being produced, you can see that. So the bubbles are bubbles of carbon dioxide. So it asks you to look at the diagram above and how you can tell that the gas is given off in this experiment. So the answer is bubbles are observed. So Rashima passed the gas through lime water. This showed that the gas was carbon dioxide. What happened to the lime water? So you have to state what happens when you bubble carbon dioxide through lime water. So the answer is it turned cloudy. Now sometimes we would say it turned milky rather than cloudy. So either of them would be acceptable.